Welcome. In this video, you'll learn step-by-step how to turn off topics notifications on the X, formerly known as Twitter, app when using your PC. If you've been getting too many topic alerts and want a quieter experience, this guide will walk you through everything clearly and simply. First, open the X app on your computer. Make sure you're signed into your account so that all settings appear correctly. Once you're in, look at the menu on the left side of your screen. Click on Notifications. This is the section where all your alerts, messages, and updates appear. On the top right of your notifications page, you'll see an option called Settings. Go ahead and click on it to access the deeper notification controls. Inside the Settings area, find and open the section labeled Preferences. This is where you can fine-tune how X sends alerts to you. Within Preferences, look for a tab named Push Notifications. Click on it, and you'll notice that X divides notifications into different categories. Now, scroll to the part labeled From X. This section controls updates that the platform sends you directly, including topics, spaces, and others that may pop up from time to time. To stop receiving alerts about topics, simply uncheck the box next to Topics. Once you uncheck it, X will stop sending you those topic-based notifications automatically. After that, your settings are saved instantly. There's no need to press any extra buttons. You can return to your home feed, and from now on, the app will stay quiet whenever a trending topic or related suggestion appears. And that's it. You've just turned off topics notifications on the X app for PC using the new update. It's a quick adjustment, but it can make your experience on X feel much cleaner and more focused. So take control of your alerts. Keep only what matters most, and enjoy scrolling without unnecessary interruptions.